everyone! Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn the next 4 sounds of the alphabet S, T, U, and V. Are you ready? Now let's begin. The first letter for today is the letter S. So there are 2 ways of the letter S. The uppercase S and the lowercase s. But not to worry, both s's have the same sound. The letter S sounds like s, s, s. It sounds like s, s, s. Now it's your turn to say it. Nice work! Now what words can we think of that starts with the letter S? Can you recognize what this is? That's right. It is a sun. S, 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 sun. S, 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 sun. Now it's your turn. Very good. Now you know how to say the word sun. How about we think of another word that starts with the letter S? What word could this be? That's right. It is a star. S, 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 star. S, 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 star. Now it's your turn to try. Fantastic! Now you know the word star. How about we try another word that begins with the letter S? Now what do you think this word could be? That's right. It is a snail. S, 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 snail. S, 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 snail. Now would you like to try? All right. You did great. You have learned to say the word snail. Now how about we move on to the next letter? What letter could that be? That's right. It is a letter T. Just like the letter S, there are 2 ways of the letter T. The uppercase T and the lowercase t. And both T's have the same sound. Now are you ready to sound out the letter T? All right, let's begin. The letter T sounds like T, T, T. It sounds like T, T, T. Now would you like to try? Nice work! Now what words can we think of that starts with the letter T? Can you tell what this is? How about a tent? T, 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 tent. T, 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 tent. Now would you like to try? Well done! Now you know how to say the word tent. How about we try another word that starts with the letter T? What word could this be? It is a tree. T, tree. T, tree. Now you can try. Nice work! Now you know how to say the word tree. What other words can we think of that starts with the letter T? Do you know what this could be? That's right. It is a tiger. T, tiger. T, tiger. Now it's your turn to try. Fantastic work! Now you know how to say the word tiger. How about we learn the sound of the next alphabet? What letter could that be? You guessed it. It is a letter U. Just like the letter T, the letter U also has two ways, which is the uppercase U and the lowercase u. Now, how can we sound the letter U in a word? Well, it sounds like It sounds like Now, would you like to try? Awesome work! You are doing great. Now, what word can we think of that starts with the letter U? What word could that be? You guessed it. It is an umbrella. 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 Now, would you like to try? Wonderful work! Now you know how to say the word umbrella. How about we think of another word that starts with the letter U? Do you know what this could be? That's right. It is an umpire. 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 Now you can try to say it. Nice work! Now you know how to say the word umpire. How about we try to sound out the next letter? Do you know what letter could that be? You guessed it. It is a letter V. Just like the letter U, there are two ways for the letter V. The uppercase V and the lowercase v. And both V's have the same sound. Now, are you ready to sound out the letter V? Okay, now let's begin. The letter V sounds like V, V, V. It sounds like V, V, V. Now, would you like to try? work. Now let's try to think of a word that starts with the letter V. What word could this be? It is a van. V, van. V, van. Now it's your turn to say it. Fantastic! Now you learned how to say the word van. What other words can we think of that starts with the letter V? How about a vase? Vase. Vase. Now you can try. Well done! Now you know how to say the word vase. How about we try to think of one more word that begins with the letter V? Do you recognize what this is? You got it! It is a volcano. 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 Now, would you like to say it? Well done! I am so proud of you. You learned how to say the word volcano. And now you know the sounds and the words of the letters S, T, U, and V. So next time you see words that starts with the letters S, T, U, and V, you can try to sound them out. You guys did a wonderful job. And now we're at the end of the video, so thanks for watching and don't forget to practice 'cause learning is fun. Goodbye! If you enjoy this video, don't forget to click the like and subscribe, share it with friends, and always, thanks for watching. Goodbye!